Okay, guys, this is how that USB plug look. You could plug up your charger to your phone and stuff, and then this is the regular plug. It's huge, and they tell you what to do on the back. It's very simple. It will not show. So they just tell you hot black wires and white neutral wires right down, and then you put your copper wire here. Fairly simple, and you could charge your phone or whatever. I just wanted to give you a close-up on that, and they also sent a plate to go with it. So it's real cute. He already done installed one, and I'm gonna let you see how it look in a while here.
You go see if it works. This thing pop out. Somebody trying to plug something in.
You got a filler head. I mean a flat head.
Yes, I got everything.
Did it work?
Yeah, well. What the hell these things are?
They go in that hole up top.
They ain't no whole American fingers on it. I need some different screws. Cause ain't nothing to catch it.
Let me do it. After a few months on Facebook Marketplace, the bathroom stuff finally sold. Yay me! Okay, if you hear some in the background, that's Carlos homeschooling. So you know we all are homeschooling, but I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. I got 2 rugs from Cypher Vera. And these are the runners. You know it's time for me to change these runners in this house, so I got 2 of those. And then I got a package from Z Gallery. And this package is just wall sconces that I really wanted. And I was waiting on them to go on sale. So I don't think they're going to get no lower than this. But I said that before, and then I went back to Z Gallery website, and one time some went as low as I thought it was going to go. But these look like they're going to be very substantial. Very big sconces, but they won't get on the wall until I paint. So, but I'm just going to see them. Sconces. So I'm doing an unboxing. Oh, I'm sorry, my hand was in the paper. Okay, they big. Okay, so this is the sconce here, and I got 2 of them. Hello, come here. So that's how the sconce look. Hold on, let me look. This is how the sconce look. And I'm finna put it on the table so you can really get a good look at it. Let me open the glass part. I'll be back. So it's broke. I said it sounded like it was broke. Broke. God gracious to God. So I'm gonna have to send that one back. Okay, we are putting a can light right here because I got so many can lights. I need to just use that can light. And there go me husband doing his job. That's my husband pulling on that wire.
Oh, I understand why they cut these other lights off.
And there is the light, the one in the middle. Cut it off, Ishmael. See? It go on these pendants in that light. That's what we had at first. But then we had my brother-in-law Tyrone to put the can lights up, and then I just had Ishmael to put that other can light up, and it go with the pendants. Yep. We are creatures of habit, so we just having flank steak tonight with chicken. I ain't eating steak today. I'm gonna eat the chicken, grilled chicken. Well, Ishmael finna grill this, so that's what we having tonight. For they doing pay-per-view night again, right? And Ishmael gonna grill it, cause Nicole finna go back and lay down, cause Nicole don't feel good. How about that one? It ain't nothing to be alarmed about. Everything is intact. The sugar is good. Everything's intact. It's just that it's that time of month, so I don't feel so good. So I'm finna just season this food and go back upstairs. And I guess Lisa will show you him grilling this beef and chicken. Show the chicken I did. Okay, y'all don't seen this before. It's just chicken, grilled steak, lettuce, tomato, avocado, onion, lime, cilantro. That's my food. And this is sushi that Ishmael made. Rice, tortillas, beans. So that's how tonight's dinner is looking, without my cheese and my sour cream on it. Be blessed, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.